Hi there, Oxford Vapours. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing and first look at the SMOK species kit. So let's just get straight into it. Pull this sleeve off. Got that nice slow open like the iPhone boxes. There we go. So first thing we see when we take the cover off is the mod itself. And then we can take this first tray out, set that to the side while we look at the goodies underneath. We've got a bag of spare O-rings, all your standard battery safety leaflet, warranty card, and a hefty chunky instruction manual. Underneath that we have got a tank, which is the TFV Mini V2. So I'll go through that in just a second. We've got a second coil there, which I believe is the dual coil, the 0.2 ohm, and a standard charging cable. So then we get to the mod itself. Got this little protective cover for the screen. This one takes two 18650s. It's just pop into the little clippy door at the bottom there. It's got a nice hinge on it with a spring. Feels quite sturdy actually. Let's take note of the positive and negative terminals on the battery door there. So I want positive to be facing there and negative to be facing there. Pop that in and slide the little tab across. And those batteries are now locked in. Or did you see in the on screen there? So we just hit 5 times with the fire button, which is on the side here. And that's going to turn it on. Species V2. And now we see our big bright touch screen here. So initially we've got this big sort of wheel here, which will light up red the further you go around in the wattage. So we started off somewhere in the middle here, 115. Just press and hold on the plus, and it'll go all the way up to 230 watts. And it'll go all the way down to, I think, just 1 watt actually. Not that that's going to fire or anything, but at least they got the option there. Cool. Right, so we've also got a couple of extra features in here, like a menu system. If we just tap this little 4 squares in the corner, and then we've got this menu, which is your screen timer, so that's how long the screen's going to stay on. And then we can choose the colour. So we've got like a blue, purple, yellow, green, white, red. I'm going to leave it on red because that's the colour of this device. And we can pop back into that little cog for your factory reset. I think that's your temperature curve for all those temperature settings. And then in this menu we've got your preheat modes, so soft, hard, medium. It's basically going to be how quickly it ramps up the coil. I'm just going to leave that on standard. We have a puff counter in this menu, so that's just if you want to set a limiter, and that's all of the menus. So press the little home button to go back to the main screen. In the corner here we can see the battery indicator for each of the batteries. We have resistance here and voltage here. So I'm going to screw on the new TFV Mini tank. Now to fill this one up, we've got this little push button there that unlocks the slider. So we push that in just there, and then it swings round. And we've actually got the rubber on the underside this time, so it's not going to fall out of there quite so easily. I'm just going to fill this one up with some of the Boy Botanics in the Valencia orange and passion fruit flavour. So quite simply, nozzle in the top there, the big opening. Fill up the tank. One thing I like about the coils so far on this is that they've got very large wicking channels. So these huge sections here with the exposed cotton means it's going to be wicking nice and fast. about full. Just flick that over and then you get a nice click to let you know that that's now locked in place. So we have 3 air channels at the base here with the adjustable airflow control. Nice lock so you can't go too far. Gonna make sure this coil's ready primed before I fire it up. That airflow control is actually working very well. If I close that all the way, that is definitely closed. There is no air getting through there. It's all good to go. I'm at 100 watts to start off with. And airflow, I'm going to try it on max first. Although, personally, I'm slightly more of a restricted logger now. Let's just test it out. Wow, that's quite the hit at 100 watts with max airflow. Let's knock it down to about half on the airflow. At half airflow, I've already got a lot more flavour there. Let's just whack that up to 110 as recommended. Yeah, 110 half airflow, that's the sweet spot for me. Getting plenty of flavour, it's got that nice warmth to it. A little bit cloudier than I usually vape, but if you're into your cloudy vapes, this is going to be perfect. And you already can't see me after one hit. So the coils for this TF Mini V2 tank are a mesh coil. I'm using the single at the moment, which is a 0.17 ohm. And the other one is a 0.2 ohm dual coil. I believe there's going to be 3 variations for this one. The V2A1, which is the single, the V2A2, which is the dual, and I believe the A3 is going to be the triple. This A1's plenty of warmth for me, although you have got the option there if you want to crank the wattage up and make use of the 230 watts maximum in this device. With a standard micro USB port on the front there, although I would recommend charging these batteries externally in a charger. So this kit is also available in this multicoloured rainbow oil slick type finish, as well as fingerprint magnet chrome. So there was a brief unboxing and first look of the SMOK Species kit. If you like this video, be sure to pop us a like and a comment down below in the comment section. I'll leave a link below on where to buy this. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. By the way, if it looked like I was struggling, I definitely was, because I accidentally popped a 6mg in there. There was a few coughs. Hold in the cough.
Worst videographer ever.
At least I can cut it out.